Hi students, in this video we are going to come across the profit and loss appropriation account to be prepared when the guarantee of profit is given. So far we had just come across simple solvation under profit and loss appropriation account, but in this is even more simple comparing to the previous, but only we have the working notes additionally. So let us see how the question is, and based on that how our calculation is going to go. Coming for the question, example 1, let us read the question. Roja and Usha are partners in a firm sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 3:2. They admit Rahul for 1/6 share in profits and guaranteed that his share of profits will not be less than 25,000. Total profits of firm were rupees 90,000. Calculate share of profits for each partner preparing profit and loss appropriation account. Coming downwards, when we have three options here. When guarantee is given by the firm, which means all the partners are responsible to pay the guarantee that has been given to the new partner. Option B, when guarantee is given by both equally. So whatever, irrespective of their profit sharing ratio, they have to bear the guarantee given to the new partner equally. Next, option C, when guarantee is given by Roja. Here, whether it is Roja or Usha, that's not required. Any partner, any one partner is taking up the guarantee to the new partner for the profits to be given. In that case, only one concerned partner will face all the deficiencies. So let us see in detail how this calculation is going to be. It's very simple. We have only two working notes just for the sake to prepare profit and loss appropriation account. So if two working notes are clear, profit and loss appropriation is very simple. So let us see how it is going to be. So coming up for the calculation of first option, when guarantee is given by the firm, we are going to go for the working note first. Number 1, calculation of new profit sharing ratio. So this is always to be remembered, calculation of new profit sharing ratio. Rahul, they gave 1/6 share. So out of 6 total, if they have given one part to Rahul, what will be the remaining is what we need to find out. So very simple, remaining share is equals, we have taken 1 minus 1/6. So we get 5/6. This step is taken up by using LCM, but before going for the calculation of LCM, let me make you people very clear with a simple calculation to find out this answer. Very simple. It is going to be a simple idea, a method, simple method, how to take up, how to find out remaining share. If they have given the share of a partner, new partner, 1/6, take up for the denomination, go for the denomination. Just go for an assumption 6 chocolates is with you, and if out of 6, 1 chocolate is given to Rahul, what will be the remaining with you? 5. So just observe, the numerator will be 5 out of 6. So this is a very simple thing you can take to find out your remaining share just with simple idea, using a very simple idea. For anything, let it be anything, you can do this. Suppose if it is going to be 1/5, then in that case you will be getting remaining as 4/5. So now let me go for the LCM step, how to find out this. Just I'm showing you people, after checking up you can follow which you wanted. So if I'm taking 1 minus 1/6, observe this is equal to 1. Assume this is always the denomination is equal to 1. So 1 and 6 to be taken as a LCM. So when we go for LCM calculation, we get LCM as 6. So 6 is going to be the LCM. Anything which is going to be multiplied with 1 is going to be the same. So LCM is 6. Now let us find 1. We have to bring equal to 6. 1 6 are 6. So take the same to the power of numerator. Again 6 1s are 6. So take this to the numerator as power of. Now just observe. 1 6 are 6 minus 1 1s are 1. 6 minus 1 gives you 5 by 6. So this is the step which you need to follow if you wanted to go as per LCM calculation, finding out. Okay, now moving on to the next. We have found remaining share. Next we are going to go for the actual calculation of new share. So the new share formula is remaining share into old share. So new share is equals to remaining share into old share. So let us go for the first. New share of Roja. What is the remaining share which we got? 5 by 6. This 5 by 6 should be applied for both the partners as remaining share. So remaining share is 5 by 6. I have taken for both. Okay, for Roja and Usha, 5 by 6, 5 by 6. Bring down the product symbol. So what is the old share of both? 3:2. So 3 by 5 and 2 by 5. Next, moving on to the calculation of answer. When you have a product symbol, observe, when you have a product symbol, you need not go for LCM finding out. Just go for the direct multiplication. 5 3s are 15, 6 5s are 30. Always when you have a product symbol, just go for the direct calculation. Next, moving on to Usha. 5 2s are 10, 6 5s are 30. You just observe for both the partners, the denominations are same. Next, moving on to the next new partner, new share of Rahul. We actually found only the share given to Rahul is 1 6, but is this 6 denominator equal to the denominator of other partners? No. So how to bring it equally? Multiply. In 6 ones are table, find out how many times you can calculate to bring it to 30. 5, right? 6 5 times if you take, you can get 30. 6 5s are 30. So I am taking this as power of to the numerator. So 1 5s are 5, 6 5s are 30. So this is how we have to always bring down each and every denominators equal. Next step. Now the new profit sharing ratio is 15:10:5. Bring all the numerators, only the numerators. So now this is quite long for us, right? 15:10:5. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to bring it to the least. 5 1s are 5. So I guess all goes in same table. 5 2s are 10 and 5 3s are 15. So I have brought it to the least form. 3:2:1. Now this is simple for us to go for the next calculation. Let's observe new profit share. So students, this is to inform before going for the second working note. Observe this new profit sharing ratio for this particular question. Even though there is 3 different options to be taken up under guarantee, this first calculation will never change in all the 3 cases. So it applies for all the 3 cases, that is option A, option B and option C. So we need not do it again and again. So you just observe it once. So coming for the second calculation, working note, distribution of profits as per the new profit sharing ratio which we found. So it is 3:2:1. I have written here because to make it easier for us. Okay. So let us go for distribution of profits. Roja, Usha and Rahul. What is the total profit by the firm? 90,000 is given in the question. So take that 90,000 and divide among each in the new profit sharing ratio. Now you just observe, I've taken 3 by 6, 2 by 6 and 1 by 6. The 6 is nothing but the total of these added, 3 plus 2 plus 1. So 90,000 into 3 by 6, 90,000 into 2 by 6 and 90,000 into 1 by 6 gives me 45,000, 30,000, 15,000. Now to confirm whether your calculation is right, just add these and find out a total. If the total is equal to this profit, your calculation is right. Just to verify. Clear? So this is how distribution of profits has to be taken. So I guess this is very simple calculation. You people can do it. Next part is very important to be observed. Going for the deficiency. When we go for the deficiency, one thing which we need to always remember is deficiency will be based on the new partner Rahul, because for him only we are guaranteeing some profits. The firm is guaranteeing him, which means it is promising him that his profit will not be less than 25,000. So going for the deficiency, which means we have to find out what is the loss faced by the firm in promising to the new partner. So deficiency is equal to what is the profit guaranteed for him minus what is the share of profit of the new partner. So let us observe. The profit guaranteed to Rahul is 25,000 and the actual share of profit which he is supposed to receive is 15,000. So what is the loss for the firm? 10,000. The deficiency here is going to be 10,000. This loss to be shared among the old partners. Who are the old partners here? Roja and Usha. So as per the first option, case 1, it is a firm that is going to be bearing the guarantee, which means a guarantee is given by the firm. So when the firm is given, let us see how this loss is going to be shared among the old partners. Moving on to the next step. Efficiency to be shared among the old partners Roja and Usha will always be in their old ratio 3:2. So 10,000 what is going to be taken is shared among Roja and Usha in the ratio of 3/5 and 2/5. So 6,000 is a loss to be faced by Roja by giving a guarantee and Usha 4,000. So this is a calculation of second working note. Students, again, before going for the profit and loss appropriation account, see the second calculation up to the detection of deficiency, up to finding up deficiency. The steps are same, no changes. Clear? Only the deficiency to be shared depends upon the case which is being given. That is, when the guarantee is given by the firm, this changes. When the guarantee is given by the partners, and when the guarantee is given by any one single partner, this value will keep changing. Now, moving on to profit and loss account. Let us go for the credit side of profit and loss account. It's very simple. See, in this particular question, they have given only the profit of the firm. That is 90,000 total profit. So apart from this, there is no other items like interest on drawings, interest on capital or salary. So it's very simple for us. Only first two working note to be considered for this. So I have taken the profit of 90,000. So we have no other items. The same 90,000 is going to be taken up and transferred to the concerned partner's capital account. So I'm going to take up this 90,000. There is no other items like interest on capital or commission or salary. So I'm just going to transfer the same 90,000 to the partner's capital account. And here, as we have the calculations, we are going to check how it is going to be transferred. So going for Roja, the first, when we have to calculate the profit as per the new profit sharing ratio, it is 45,000. But what was the deficiency, the loss shared by Roja? It's 6,000. So when you minus it, Roja is getting 39,000 as profit transferred. Next, going to Usha, similar. The actual profit is, share of profit is 30,000, but the deficiency shared by her, giving it to Rahul is 4,000. So for her, the profit to be transferred is 26,000. Moving on to Rahul, here Rahul is the one who is gaining it, who is receiving the deficiency. So the guarantee is going to be profitable for him. 15,000 is his actual share of profit, but here the deficiency, instead of minusing, to be added because it is a profit for him. Deficiency received is going to be 10,000 overall together by each partner. So when you add, you just observe the guarantee amount is 25,000. So the amount guarantee is equal to this total amount transferred. So this is the only thing which we have to do in case of profit and loss account. So I guess this is very clear. So observe only the deficiency to be shared among each partners based on the different cases. That is, we have next case, that is when the guarantee is being given by both the partners equally, only that is going to change. All the rest will be the same. So moving on for the next option, let us go. So coming for the option B, that is case 2, when guarantee is given by both equally, which means both the partners equally, how the calculations are going to be. Here it is similar. So before going for profit and loss account, let me just recall about the working note. So going for the working note, I've just mentioned, see, calculation 1, working note 1, same calculation, no changes in finding out the profit and, that is, new profit sharing ratio. So there is no changes in finding out new profit sharing ratio. So you can just copy the same calculation for this. Next, going for the second working note, up to deficiency, finding out deficiency, there is no changes. Using the new profit sharing ratio, you distribute the profits among the partners and find out what is the deficiency, that is 10,000. So there is no changes. You can just copy the same calculation. After copying that, then go for the deficiency. Here the deficiency will change, that is to be shared. While deficiency to be shared among the partners differs in different cases. So here they have given when guarantee is given by both the partners equally. So when Roja and Usha are facing, that is sharing the losses equally, it will be divided equally, 1:1. So two partners are there. As I said, how many partners depends upon that. So 1:1 gives you 1/2, 1/2. 10,000 into 1/2, 10,000 into 1/2. So they are equally sharing the loss. So now we have done this part. I want you people to write even the working note for each and every cases, because it is the same. I can't rewrite it to take the pick and make it. So I just wanted to make a very short video that makes you people understand. Okay, now coming up for the profit and loss account, no changes in this. It is the same. Credits are only the profit of the company to be taken. There is no other calculations. Take the same, and that will be transferred to the partner's capital account. But when it is going to be transferred for each partner, here it changes. Here for Roja, the deficiency will change. The actual profits will not change for each partners. Only the deficiency will change based on the option or the case of instruction given. So your deficiency is 5,000, so 40,000 is transferred to Roja. For Usha it is 5,000, so 25,000 is going to be transferred to Usha. And Rahul, there is no change because 10,000 is a deficiency gained by Rahul from both the partners, so it is the same. So this is going to be in case of option 2. Just observe. So coming for option C, case when the guarantee is given by Roja. Here again same. Moving on to the working note. Working note 1 and 2, there is no changes. Only deficiency to be shared here is by Roja. So the complete 10,000 is going to be faced by Roja. She is going to face a complete loss of 10,000. So let us see the changes only in case of the transferred profits to partners capital account. So observe, all the rest are same. In case of only Roja, the value will change. Deficiency shared 10,000. So she is going to get 35,000. In case of Usha, there is no deficiency. So it is 30,000 as it is. And Rahul the same, 25,000 as guaranteed. So I guess there is no other changes here. It's very simple. So this is an example sum given so that it's easy for you people to any questions or any changes given, just follow this. So it's very simple to do, and this is again for 6 marks.